Yes, I really love my job. As you know, we work on these very beautiful and exclusive cars on a quite regular base. And still, if a new project comes in, no matter what project it is, no matter what car it is, it gets me very excited. In this case, a brand new Ferrari 488 GTB, which just arrived, of course, for the big tailor-made audio system, which we're going to work on in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for this very nice project. Alright, so I went to the concert of Guns N' Roses last night with Kevin, and it was an amazing concert. We of course drank a few too many beers, so yeah, I quite have some kind of a hangover. But anyway, I'm back in the shop, and this is the new beauty which we have to work on, the 488 GTB. Very nice car, beautifully spec'd, and we're going to put in our tailor-made sound system in this car. As you already know, what we have done in other Ferraris, for instance. The McLaren is also good on its way. The subwoofer is in, the subwoofer box. It's wrapped with the original carpet and everything to make it look nice. We have only lost 2 centimeters of depth because behind the factory panel there's quite a lot of space with foam and everything. So we used the maximum out of that space to build a custom subwoofer box, which sits over there, so it looks like it was already there from factory. So what's next is to put in the speakers in the doors and in the back, so we can put back all the interior panels. And I'm building the amplifier rack, which will go in the front. That should be ready by end of next week approximately, so we can also deliver this car to its client. The Porsche 993 is almost ready. It sounds very good. We have to put in the carpet which is in the front, we have to put in the seats. The client is back from his holiday, so he wants to collect the car next week, so we will make sure that after it's cleaned we can make the delivery on this car. So tomorrow I'm flying to Mallorca with one of my clients. A few months ago we have done a very nice RIP, a yacht, small yacht, and he invited me to come over to do some final tuning and also to meet some of his friends who are also yacht and boat owners. So hopefully we can do some more jobs over there. So that will be very nice, and we'll be back on Sunday. So I want to wish you a very happy weekend, and hope to see you back next week. Please make sure to subscribe, to do the thumbs up and everything else. Bye bye.